Well, back to politics. The Democrats continue to resist President Trump at every turn. Look at this headline from Fred Barnes. Feeble resistance. Look at what the Democrats haven't accomplished. Fred Barnes, the Weekly Standard executive editor, an article of that article, joins us now. Fred, the resistance is strong, and now they're going all in on the tax bill that's going to help at least 143 million Americans.
Well, the resistance may be strong, but this year it was very, very unsuccessful. I mean, Republicans got a Supreme Court justice, they pushed back regulations, and then they won the big one, the tax reform bill, and that got them over the hump that they had done nothing really big in Trump's first year. Well, now they did. This whole attacking the tax bill for Democrats is something that holds Democrats together. It unifies them. It makes the resistance happy, but I don't think it gains them anything. And on some of the issues, including infrastructure, Democrats are going to be divided.
You know, Fred, it's interesting because initially on the eve of it being passed, we were warned it was Armageddon, that it was perhaps the worst thing that's ever happened in America. And I'm talking of all the things that have happened in America that, you know, we look back and say we wish hadn't. And since then, the narrative has changed to the point where it's not Armageddon, but it doesn't go far enough. So again, I don't know how the Democrats are going to tell the average American out there that $2,000 a year is not a big deal extra in your pocket.
And people are going to find out about it. You know, the Democrats have said it's going to hurt the middle class and enrich the rich, and people will find out when they get their paychecks in a couple of months. They can look at it and see that the withholding of tax has gone down. And that means a tax cut, that they're getting one. The Democrats said they were not getting at all.
Right.
So this is a real problem for Democrats.
Well, let me ask you then, Fred, about the whole thing of the GOP. Are they in trouble when it comes to the midterm elections? Because all your generic polling says that they are. Some recent losses, you lose Alabama, a red state. Those kind of things suggest to a lot of pundits that this could be a wave election for the Democrats.
Well, it could be. I think if the election were held a month ago, it probably would have been a wave election with Democrats winning both the House and the Senate. But, you know, the election in 2018 is, what, 10 months away? A lot can happen during that period. I don't think Donald Trump's personality is going to change, and that's a problem for Republicans. But people
does Donald Trump's rhetoric and occasional off-tweet supersede the success, the stock market, the economy, the tax cut? Ultimately, when someone steps into the voting booth, will they say, man, I just didn't like his tweets, even though I'm making more money?
No, look, it's not going to wipe out people being happy about some of the other things that Trump did, but it is a problem. You know, people want to like their president. They think he acts in an unpresidential way that they're not crazy about, and that is a problem. But it's not the end of the world for Republicans. I mean, 10 months away, they can do a lot, and even Trump can maybe ease the concerns about himself. He's a smart guy. He must know that that's hurting Republicans, and you know, sort of curb his tweets a little bit, even though Mitch McConnell says he's now warming up to Trump's tweets.
I think a lot of people might be in for a pleasant surprise. Fred, thank you very much. Always appreciate it.
You're welcome.